Good morning, everyone. This is Karl F. Rose recording on Monday, July 15th, 2019, and I'm speaking a little louder and my microphone than normal because my AC's off. It's over 80 degrees in my apartment here. I've got fans blowing, but that's not what this video is about. I'm sweating to death. This following video is if you want to learn how to cook lemon herb roasted chicken in your slow cooker. Trust me, with no AC, it's the way to go. You don't use your oven. Anyway, before we get into that, before we get into the video, I do have other videos on the topic in my description links. Check those links. And I also have a YouTube tactics course. Links in the description below. And also be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be advised when I do these uploads, because I am going to be doing more food videos. We'll get into the video right after this. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.